Hello there! Today's video is all about film cameras, and anyone trying to get into film photography will find themselves with the same dilemma of trying to find their first 35mm film camera. Finding one that's affordable for such a new and unpredictable adventure is getting harder and harder, and chances are when you find one, it's either sold as seen, untested, or comes with some vague disclaimer about how well it performs. There are issues regardless of whether you're buying from Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or a shop, because chances are, even if you can take it back for a refund, you've probably had to put a roll of film through it and have the photos developed before you realise there's a problem. That's going to be 30 quid or so you're not getting back. I really love film, and I really want to encourage as many people as possible to get into photography, even if that means doing it one person at a time. So I'm going to be picking up untested cameras, I'm going to put a roll of film through them, and then bring you along for the journey as I shoot through that roll and then share the results with you. Then I'll be putting them up for sale on my website so you can get your hands on a camera that you know works. Right, let's rewind and start at the beginning. What the F was that? That was an advert, I think, by Nikon, from 1990, for sure, for the One Touch 100, otherwise known as the RF2. It's a 35mm compact camera released by the Japanese company in 1988. It's basically a fully automatic point and shoot, which is a great place to start if you're thinking about shooting on film but aren't confident with the camera settings, which is great for me because I've never used it before. So let's see how easy it is. Oh, hang on, I need to put some film in it. Job's a good one, let's go. I've got a day in Cornwall and maybe a bit in Devon to head to a few different locations and test out the RF2 and see how it performs. And I'm starting here at Church Cove on the Lizard, the most southerly point on the British mainland. It's 6:30 AM, and what better time to start than at sunrise? Right, let's see how easy this is. Frame up, see if we can focus. Got to remember to open the lens cover. Alright, try it again, focus. Green light, focus. Boom. If that shot comes out, that'll be lovely. Get a wide. So I've come to Porthleven, which is where I grew up, and I've got amazing memories of this beach, which used to look very different in the 80s and 90s, which I guess is when people were originally using this camera. It's funny to think that there were probably people here using it, and photos have been taken on that camera that exists today, maybe. Cornwall's capital, Truro, and I've switched to discrete ninja mode, so I'm vlogging on my iPhone. Of course, I've got to come and shoot the client visit. Light's pretty crap and yeah, I'm not digging it. Plus, I'm rushing because I'm running out of time. So, moving on. Okay, I've just about made it to the beach on time. Now at Woolacombe. Never been here before, so this will be an adventure. Looks nice. This little point and shoot really exceeded my expectations. I'm so glad it works and is easy to use, once you remember to open the lens cover like a complete noob. Every single picture came out okay, and I think the Nikon did a great job in some challenging light conditions. If you're interested in buying this camera, it will be for sale at my website garethbartlett.co.uk. The link will be in the description, but there's only one, so once it's gone, it's gone. I'll be doing more of these with a range of film cameras, so subscribe if you're interested, and if you enjoyed this video, maybe give a like, perhaps even a share. Love you, bye!